Sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eye.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company. They sent me over this really pretty wig. And y'all, I have not, let me just be honest with y'all, I have not reviewed a wig in a long time that I wore for more than like 2 days. But this one right here, y'all, this one right here is the one, okay? It is completely glueless. It is a 5x5 closure or 7x5. I'm not completely sure. I do not want to lie to you guys, but I will make sure to leave all the details down below in the description box for you guys. And let's go ahead and get into the details.
Hi guys, so as you heard from the intro, this video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company. I will be reviewing their brand new Burmese curly wig, so let's go ahead and get into the details. The wig that they sent me is their Burmese curly finger coiled ends chestnut brown ombre colored wig. The lace on this wig is 7x5 and it comes pre-plucked. You can see the hairline is pre-plucked. The lace is already cut and the knots are pre-bleached for us. This wig is a ready-to-go wig, so it does come with a drawstring in the back for a snug fit, and you can just put on and go. So let's go ahead and put on and go. I'm going ahead, you already know how I do. I'm trying it on right out of the box so you guys can see just how well this wig will look when you take it right out of the box. And y'all, this is pretty much what the wig is given right out of the box. I think it is so pretty. First impression, I absolutely love the color. And I love these finger coiled ends. I think this is so pretty and just makes the wig look a little bit more natural. So I'm going ahead and showing you guys up close what the lace looks like, and it's just a little bit light for my skin, so I am going to go in with a little bit of my foundation powder. I'm going to tap that around the lace a little bit just so that it blends in a little bit better.
No trace, no residual feelings within you, then you won't remember me.
So once I was done tinting the lace, this is pretty much what the wig looks like. It fits my head absolutely perfect. Nice and snug, just like they said. I did pull the drawstring and it made this wig fit really good. So I'm just going ahead and making sure the top of that hair is nice and flat and the hairline is in place. I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb per usual and just styling it to my desired look. When I tell y'all this is really a put on and go wig, y'all will see just how quick it takes me to get this wig together. And it already looks really pretty out of the box, so just these few little steps will have you in and out the door in no time. So guys, I don't know if I'm just showing my age here, but have you guys ever watched Half and Half, this show? It was like a sitcom back in the day. I think this hair just reminds me of Mona. She was the sister. I don't know. I think this hairstyle just reminds me of her. If you remember that show, please comment down below and let me know, because that was one of my favorite shows back in the day. I thought it was so funny and so cute. But as you guys can see now, I'm going in with some of my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just defining those curls and finger coiling the ends of them.
I turn day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shown you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more.
So as you guys can see, the ends of the hair at the bottom are very much still defined. So I'm just defining the top part of the hair where the hair was a little fuzzy. And this is pretty much what it looks like on one side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now and get those curls together like I did on the other side. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. Like, I am editing this video a few days after doing it, after installing the wig. And y'all, I've been wearing this wig every day. It's literally my put on and go wig to go to the gym. When I want to look cute, I just toss it on and go. It is so pretty, and I've gotten so many compliments on it so far. So if you get this wig, just be prepared for those compliments, y'all. I think it looks so natural. And when the ends are coily, it definitely just gives it more of like a natural feel. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and defined those curls on both sides. And after that, this is pretty much what it looks like. Let me know down below what you guys think. I absolutely love it, y'all. And I'm usually not a middle part girly. Y'all already know that. But this wig right here, I don't know, it's something about it that I just really love. So Nadula, you definitely did your thing with this one. Completely glueless, put on and go, snug fit, fits so good.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I wish there was like more hairstyles that I could show you guys, because this wig definitely needs more camera time. Like, that's just it. This wig needs more camera time. But let me tell y'all, this wig is so pretty. Right out of the box, I didn't have to do much. It is completely glueless. Just put it on, add a little bit of tint to my lace, and this is what it's looking like. I really like this wig. And y'all know I'm not usually a middle part girly, but this one right here is the one for sure. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sending me over this really pretty, really beautiful wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing her, or you want to check out Nadula Hair Company's wig website, all their details will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.